Hey guys, welcome back. If you're wondering which specific camera sensors Google's upcoming Pixel 7 and 7 Pro will be using, you're in luck, as one enterprise developer has gone exploring just that in the depths of Google's code. It wasn't easy though. The company has obfuscated all the sensors names in the code in order to stop leaks like this, but sensor IDs could still be found and matched to actual parts using various resources such as camera drivers on GitHub, according to Kuba Wojciechowski, the source of today's news. So let's dig in. The Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro both have the Samsung GN1 as the main sensor camera, just like the Pixel 6 and 6 Pro, and they also use the same ultrawide too, the Sony IMX381. Selfie camera is now the same on both models. Samsung 3J1, a 11 megapixel sensor with dual pixel autofocus. Pixel 7 Pro has a new telephoto sensor, the Samsung GM1. Its predecessors used Sony's very similar IMX381. Interestingly enough, there's a third smartphone referenced, one codenamed Lynx. This has the same GN1 main camera sensor paired with Sony IMX781 of unknown purpose, probably tele. The selfie sensor on this one is new to the Sony IMX712 with 13 megapixel resolution. This Lynx could be a Pixel 7 Ultra or just a hardware platform used by Google to internally test new camera sensors as they are being offered by suppliers. Moving on to the Pixel tablet, this has two sensors, one on the front, one on the back, and they're both IMX385 from Sony. That's incidentally the same sensor the regular Pixel 6 uses for its selfie camera. Finally, the upcoming Pixel Foldable has a Samsung GN1 main camera sensor, a Sony IMX386 ultrawide, an IMX363 telephoto maybe, as well as an IMX355, again the same one employed for the Pixel 6 selfie snapper. So this will most likely also be used for that. So that's it for now. See you in the next one.